clear cache of any app in Android for better experience. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can clear any app cache in your Android phone. So for that, you need to simply go to all apps section. After that, you can select any app and you need to simply hold on it. So for example, I am holding on calculated. After that, you will see edit, remove app info. So you need to simply click on app info. Here you will see data usage, storage usage. So you need to simply click on storage usage. After that, you will see clear data, clear cache. So you guys need to simply click on clear cache. And here we go, our app cache was cleared. This is how you guys can do that for all apps in all Androids. Thanks for watching.